So in order to access Panopto, just log into your DLE and go to your course page. So this is my course for environmental management, and it can be accessed through any one of these module pages. So if I go into STO 206 as an example, and then if you scroll all the way down, it's located down here at the bottom right. So it'll come up with all the lectures here that have been recorded, and there's only one for this module. So I'll open that. Now, opens like this. It's opened at 9 seconds because I watched it up to 9 seconds, and it saves how far you watch it whenever you exit it, so you always come back at the same point you leave. This is the content. These are the titles of each slide that the lecturer has given, and then the pictures all appear here, and you can click on either one of these to take you to any slide you want. So that takes me to that one. We go to the Be Critical one by clicking there. The search function has both text and linguatronic ability. So if I type that in, the first 3 results with this symbol are where the text appears on the slide. So these are all the slides with the word assessment on. The rest of them, are when the lecturer actually says the word. So if I click on that one and then click play, it should be the lecturer saying this sentence. I don't know how well this is going to come out on the recording, but let's give it a go.
No. This assessment is about your ability to...
There we go. So that's that. The other things, bookmarks. These are to highlight important bits. So I've already put 3 in, so I can do bookmark 4. There, it'll save it at 25 minutes 15 seconds. The notes, which can be exported to your OneDrive, so you just type those in, note 2, that'll do, there we go. Saves it there. You make those public, you can send those anywhere. You can adjust your playback speed here, you can have it slower, faster. You can adjust the quality here, you can minimize this bar, maximize that bar, volume control, rewind by 10 seconds. And that is the basic things of Panopto. There's support for the Panopto company here. And then to exit, you can just click sign out.